Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you will be safe and enjoying vacations with the people you love. Today we will discuss, inshallah, what is expected in Viva Voce. We start with the first chapter. You must able to know and define what is the definition of community medicine according to World Health Organization and according to Faculty of Community Medicine of Royal College of Physicians. So you must know both the definitions. I usually start with the definition of community. You have read subject of community medicine 1 year, and we expect that you should know what is community medicine. Then you must know what a difference between the community medicine and the clinical medicine. Then what is public health as defined by Winslow. Then what a difference between COM and CB. COM means community-oriented medical education and community-based education. Then you must know what are sustainable development goals and what is the health related goal, which is goal number 3, and what are components of that health related goal. Then what is PSC, primary health care, what are its principles, 4 principles or 5 principles, what are its elements, components. There are 8 components you must be able to know. And what is group B triple F, or selective primary health care approach, and what services and staff is authorized, basic health units and rural health centers. What is World Health Organization, where its headquarters is located, when it was established, when the World Health Day is celebrated, and you must also know how many regional headquarters and where they are located, and what are functions of the World Health Organization, what UNICEF stands for what, where it is headquartered, and what are its functions. Then you must know the definition of indicator of health, characteristics, uses, types, and what is Human Development Index. And we know it is composite index, life expectancy at birth, adult literacy rate, GNP per capita. Then physical quality life index, Sullivan index. You must be able to know the definitions. What is rehabilitation and what are various types of rehabilitations? Then you must know how will you define the epidemiology. I usually start epidemiology viva with the definition. The definition which is given in your book, that is study of distribution, frequency, determinants of disease or health related events, and in specified population, application of this knowledge for the control in the future. We must define give the same definition which is given in the book. I usually expect the definitions which are given in the books. Then you must able to know what are the uses of epidemiology. 7 uses of epidemiology according to Mr. Morris. Then you must know what a difference between rate, ratio, and proportion, what are various types of rates, and what is the epidemic, what are its types, what is epidemic curve, what information does it give. Then what are basic measures of epidemiology, prevalence, incidence rate, what a difference between these two, what are special incidence rates, primary attack rate, secondary attack rate, incident density, what are various mortality measures. Then you must know what is cross-section study, what are its merits, what are its demerits, and what is case control study, what are merit, demerits, what are various biases in case control study, what do you mean by the confounding, and what is the cohort study, what are its components, what type of analysis we do, what the difference between attribute risk and the relative risk. Then what is experimental study, what are various types of experimental studies, especially you must able to know what is randomized control trial, what are its steps, what is the randomization, what is blinding, what are these types of blinding. Then what is association? What are these types of association? What is Bradford-Hill criteria of association? 6 criteria of Bradford-Hill criteria association. You must give when the association becomes causation. Then what is immunity? What are various types of the immunity, and what is herd immunity? What is cold chain immune? What are various types of the vaccines? Live, killed, toxoid, you must know. And what is current EPI schedule? How many diseases it covers now? That is what minimum EPI schedule every student knows. The student who will not tell me the EPI schedule, I will not pass. And then you must know what are the objectives of the investigation of the epidemic and what are various 10 steps of the epidemic investigation. Then you must know what a difference between antiseptic, disinfectant, and sterilization. Screening, what is screening? What is difference between screening diagnostic test? What are uses of screening? What is Wilson criteria of screening? What are diseases which are fit for screening in Pakistan? What is lead time? What is lead time bias? How will you define sensitivity, specificity, positive predictive value, negative predictive value, validity, etc.? And what points will you consider while deciding the cutoff value of the screening test? Then you must know what is the criteria. There are 7 criteria for eradication of disease. So far, one disease has been eradicated from the world. That is the smallpox. Next on target is the polio. Every disease cannot be eradicated. There are certain criteria you must know. Then about viral hepatitis B, C, E, etc. Mode of transmission, prevention in case of accidental prick, what will you advise, etc. Then in malaria, you must know what is rollback malaria, what is spring rate, what is malaria endemicity, what is infant parasite rate, and what is its significance, what is man-made malaria, what is dengue fever, mode of transmission, cause of agent, types, prevention, Congo-Crimean hemorrhagic fever, mode of transmission, clinical symptoms, prevention, cholera, and then COVID-19, you all know very well. Then disease notifiable to WHO, cholera, plague, yellow fever, recently COVID-19 also. Then about diarrhea, what are various causes, what is most common social myth related to diarrhea in Pakistan, what is composition of the oral dehydration salt, and if the ORS not available in the village or sometimes rural areas, how will you make ORS at home? In typhoid, by the way, you must also know the names in Urdu of all communicable diseases, because the patients you will tell the names in Urdu. I expect every student should know the names of the communicable diseases in Urdu. Now, how will you identify carriers in typhoid, especially chronic carriers, and how will you eliminate carriers? What are the most common typhoid vaccine available with their trade names, along with the dosage, route of administration, duration of protection? I don't expect from you, you tell me the name written in the book, TY21 and so. You must give me the trade name, like Typhoid VI, TAB vaccine, and then the Vivotif capsule, like that. And now recently WHO has added the vaccine, typhoid conjugated vaccine. So you must give the dosage, you must give the route of administration, you must give the duration of protection. What is food poisoning? What are the types? What points will you check to in case of 10 food, investigation food poisoning, prevention and control? In case of meningococcal meningitis, what is its Urdu name? What is chemoprophylaxis? What vaccination? Give what route of administration, dosage, duration of protection. And tuberculosis, what is DARS? What are epidemiological indicators? Parameters of TB, what is Mantoux test? Who are the high-risk patients for TB? What is MDR TB? BCG, and then the protection of baby born to mother with active TB. Then chickenpox complications, country attack rate, measles complication, elimination strategy, rubella vaccination strategy, what is congenital rubella, what is polio, what is clinical spectrum, what are which type vaccine, Why poliomyelitis has been not eradicated so far from Pakistan? Rabies, what are various types of vaccine available in the rabies? How will you manage in case of bite by a rabid dog? What is pre-exposure prophylaxis? How will you eliminate airborne rabies? What is important yellow fever to Pakistan? What is its vaccine? And HIV/AIDS, most common opportunity infection in HIV/AIDS. What is screening test, diagnostic? What is window period in HIV/AIDS? In demography, how will you define demography? What are the demographic process? What is census, definition? What is de facto, de jure? What is demographic transition? What is demographic trap? What is public health importance? What is population pyramid? What are various types? What information does it give? Population, what is population momentum? What is population growth rate? How will you calculate the population growth rate? What is demographication? What is demographic social implications of the high population growth and rectification of high population growth? You must give the population doubling time and the law of 70 doubling formula. Dependency ratio, what is dependency ratio? What is replacement level fertility? What is vital index, vital events? What are various measures of fertility? How will you calculate the general fertility rate? What is net reproduction rate and what is its importance? What is total fertility rate? What are determinants of fertility? How infant mortality rate affects fertility? Various benefits of breastfeeding, what is weaning, what is growth chart, what it uses, what is juvenile delinquency, what is reproductive health, what is package, what is safe motherhood, what are 4 pillars of safe motherhood, who are the high risk mothers, who are the high risk babies, what is rooming in, what is small for dead baby, what is 3 delay model of MMR, what are major killers of children under 5. How will you assess the nutrition status of the woman and what are dietary requirements of the pregnant woman? What are main problems to test objective MCA services? What are aim objective antenatal services? What is minimum visits are required? What are ideal, how number should be the ideal visits? What lab investigation you will advise pregnant lady come, you check out, how will you proceed? Low birth weight babies, causes, definition, assessment, nutrition status of 1,000 children under 5 years of age, you will use shocker tape. Then what is maternal mortality rate? What is causes? How will you prevent it? What infant mortality rate? What is causal prevention? What is perinatal mortality rate? How will you classify the contraceptive? What is intrauterine? What are various types of IUDs? What are various types of hormone contraceptives? Their side effects, their contraindication. What is variable in biostat? What is independent variable, dependent variable, confounding variable, difference between data information? What are various types of data? Types of data every student should know, because there is a minimum which I expect from every student. The student who will not tell me the data, he should not expect I should pass him. What are various measures of central tendency? What are various measures of dispersion? What is normal curve? What is skew distribution? What are various methods of data presentation? What are various types of test of significance? What is p-value? What is type 1 alpha error? What is type 2 beta error? What is power of study? What are various sampling techniques? What is confidence interval? What is standard error? What is difference between correlation and regression? In water, you must know what are waterborne diseases, what are purification method, chlorination of water, hospital waste types, hazards, method of disposal, characteristic of good incinerator, radiation types, hazards, what is greenhouse effect, what is global warming, what are various functions of food and nutrition, what is protein energy malnutrition, what is difference between Rasmussen and Washer-Cole, how will you define obesity, what are various measures of obesity, what is BMI, what are meat-borne diseases, how will you survey for assessment nutrition state of population, what are nutrition problems in public health, what are sources of protein, what is biological complete protein, what are trans fats, how many calories are produced by 1 gram protein, fats and carbohydrate, how do you define essential fatty acid, what is difference between visible fat and invisible fat, what is pheanoderma, what is dietary fiber at its advantage, vitamin A and D deficiency disease and prevention, iodine deficiency disorder, food fortification, food adulteration. What are milk-borne diseases, what is milk pasteurization, what is balanced diet, what is prudent diet, what is proximate principle, what are goitrogens, what is ergonomics in occupational health, with various examinations which are carried out in occupational health, what are occupational cancer, what are pneumoconius diseases, what is lead poisoning, what are occupational health hazards of the agriculture workers, occupational dermatitis, occupational disasters, what are various hazards to the leather worker. In arthropods, what are various arthropods of medical importance and what are diseases transmitted by them, diseases transmitted by rodents and their prevention, what is transmission in case of arthropod, what are various types, then how will you control scabies and what is causative and what is zoonosis, what is transovarian transmission, what is complete and incomplete metamorphosis. In parasites, you must know teniasis, hydrid disease, leishmaniasis, cariasis, carlostomiasis, various parasitic infections common in Pakistan. Parasite causing anemia in man, autoinfection, cul-de-sac and parasite life history. In health education, how will you define health education? What are its objective? What are principles of health education? What are approaches to public health? Stages of health education, contents of health education, methods in health education, methods of health education. What are various barriers to communication? What are characteristic good message? What are components of coordinated school health education program? In non-communicable diseases, ischemic heart disease risk factor, prevention strategy, hypertension risk factor, diabetes types, risk factors, cancer risk factor, warning signs, prevention and control, obesity, definition, measurement of obesity, cause of obesity, prevention and control. Then disaster, what are the types, what are health problems during disaster, how will you manage the disaster, duties of health during disaster. What factors lead to smoking? What is passive smoking, what is smokeless tobacco, what are health hazard smoking, what are constituent tobacco smoke, what is WHO manpower strategy of tobacco control in the countries. And drug abuse, common drug abuse in Pakistan for addiction, what are narcotics, what are factors relating to addiction, what are health hazards of drug abuse, how will you identify a addict child in your home or in society, and what are various prevention strategies. So that's all for today from my side. Now teaching sessions over from my side. This is my last lecture with your class. Now, inshallah, we will meet each other in the examination, in the evaluation session. But this does not mean that you cannot ask anything from me. But until the date of exam, you are through your group or you individually, if you feel any difficulty anywhere, you are most welcome. You can, I have open door policy. I told you in the first lecture. I am also telling in the last lecture that any student at any time can just knock my door and come to my office. So with this, I will also say that if I have injured anybody's feeling during my interactive with your class, during lectures, I apologize. And similarly, I also forgive to all students or any student who have misbehaved with me or any my faculty member. So, inshallah, we will meet each other in the annual examination in October or November. Thank you very much. That's all for today.